Hey, how's it going? This is Guy Solis back for another shave. Today I'm going to be shaving with the Marlborough from Dr. Harris and Company. I seen Joseph use that today, and I says I'm going to do the same thing. I just wish I had a cup of cappuccino to go with it. To finish off, I'm breaking out my stash of Phoenix artisan accoutrements, Cavendish. So today I'm breaking out with the Cavendish. And this is my stash. It's not very much left in there, but it is my stash. And the piece de resistance in my mind right now is going to be a razor I've been working on for a while. Everyone probably knows. This is what it looks like now. This is the Fredrick Reynolds. The Fredrick Reynolds is a razor that is a frame back. It came to me with a pretty good warp on the spine, and I worked with it and I honed it and I got it to shave really good, but it wasn't right. And so what I did is I got the spine, and the spine was kind of like this. So I got my 400 grade Atoma and I straightened it out, and I took off equal amounts on each side because that's what it needed. I hope I got the geometry right. When I honed it, I put a layer of 3M tape, electrical tape, and the Captain tape, and I think I probably nailed the edge. The edge is still a little bit warped, and took a little bit of X patterns and some kind of specialty honing like that. And let's see how it shaves, huh? So the blade had the hole drilled in it. It was just too large for a 1/16 inch pin, so I put in a brass sleeve in there and pinned it up really nice with some very nice, and I'll put some pictures up too, some very nice collars, brass collars. The scales were broken on this side on the tip. You can see where it's brown. I repaired those. And Joseph taught me how to do some of this stuff, and it's pretty nice, pretty nice. So what I did is this thing had some worn out tortoise shell pattern on it, and I sanded them all off. I got all the scales looking really good, and then I did this pattern on them. It has a nice acrylic wedge. So we're going to see how that shaves today. So freshly honed, freshly stropped. And speaking of strops, if you don't have a strop and you want a nice strop, I have these strops for sale right here. They're 25 inches long from buckle to clip. They are 2.5 inches wide. This one here is made with the really nice ultra smooth Colorado Bison and some dyed vintage fire hose. And these are probably the nicest strops. These are probably the nicest strops I have put out. And I've been making strops for about 5 years. $50. You can contact me on my contact information below, or you can go to Etsy or eBay and all that. So let's get on with the shave, huh? I'm running out of time and fiddling around with the camera a little too much. And so let me just okay. All right, let's see what this does. So I'm going to my physical therapist today, and then tomorrow I go to my surgeon, and I'm pretty pissed off because my foot's just not right. It's been 9 months already. So I sit on the lather. All right, that's gonna have to do because I have to get going here. All right. Take those off since I'm not being neat today. Actually, I'm being kind of sloppy. I gotta leave here pretty quick. So, all right, freshly honed, freshly stropped. See what we can do. Turn up the blade. Here we go, man. Wow, very nice. Very nice. God, when I first got this razor, it was so ugly. It was really ugly. Now this razor here's got a nice wide tang, but there's no stippling on it at all. So so this is a wedge because it's a frame back, and so it's going to shave differently. It does have some nice feedback though. I can hear feedback. I don't know if anyone else can, but I sure can. Making a bit of a mess with my cream here today. I got it all over the outside of the dimpler. So, check as I roll this into the sink. Okay, it looks good to me. All right. This thing is shaving really nice, man. This is going to be one of my keepers because it's so unique. And I think as I work on different things and discover different ways of doing things and different concepts and all that stuff, I get to a point where I always, just like with my strops, is that this one that I have here is the first one I did, and I screwed it up, and it's mine. You know, I'm not going to throw it away. This is just, you know, how I do it. I'm not going to throw away a whole piece of leather because I didn't do the stamp on it right. You know, keep it. So that's what I'm doing here with this one. And it's not, I'm not saying it's bad or it's a mistake or anything, but this is just my first try. I think next time I try this, I'm going to add some little bit of red, a little brown, just spots of it here and there to outline some of the black. That would make it pop right there. All right, cross the grain. This thing really really is easy to handle. I'm very happy with this razor so far. Let's do a quick check, see where I'm at. A little bit right, just a touch right there. The Dimpler. All right, check out. Check out the toe, see how it's doing. Getting this damn soap all over the damn place. Really, I'm really sloppy with this soap today. Got all over my shirt, all over my fingers. All right, so I'm still fine-tuning this thing. That tip and that heel are keen. Oh, I've gone over my 7 minutes. I'll split this video in half. I'm putting this on Gentleman's Edge. And gonna kind of, I guess, phase out the Shaving Chronicles. Very nice, man. I am happy. I'll be right back. All right. My face is ultra smooth. I love that razor. Okay, now the piece de resistance is the Cavendish. Little dab will do you on this. It's got a good strong scent. Oh yeah, no stinging. Oh yeah. I'm gonna smell nice over there. All right, gentlemen. I just shaved with my Fredrick Reynolds. What is this? 7/8 frame back in the Marlborough. Excellent shave. Thanks for watching, man. And remember, every day is a good day for a shave. Y'all take care, man. Later. Bye.